Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Today we're gonna make a version of ranch. It's pretty interesting, so I'll talk about the story of ranch. Ranch was created by Steve Henson in the early 1950s, and Henson was originally from Thayer, Nebraska, and he had the occupation of a plumber. He worked around and ended up in Anchorage, Alaska as a plumbing contractor. And at this time and this area, perishable goods were pretty hard to find, so he used the dried powdered variants to make his seasoning mix. At this time in Alaska, Henson and his wife Gail purchased the place and moved to Santa Barbara, California in 1954. Then 2 years later, purchased the Sweetwater Ranch on the San Marcos Pass, and later renamed the ranch to what it is known today, Hidden Valley Ranch. And Hidden Valley Ranch became an agritourism hotspot for Steve and Gail, offered guests activities such as fishing, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The ranch also had a restaurant which put their ranch dressing on the map. The original ranch dressing recipe was herbs and spices such as garlic, onion, pepper, parsley. And that was meant to be mixed with buttermilk and mayonnaise. Guests really enjoyed it so much that they wanted the dry packets to take home with them and mail to them. So, yeah, and the rest is history. But this is a very simple recipe. So I just crushed up some garlic, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and I'm just using what I have. I put some olive oil in there, and I have some Greek yogurt, some salt, some pepper, and some dill, some dried dill. So I really hope you give this a shot. It's really easy, and yeah, you can eat it with your pizza, eat it with some hot wings, eat it with some vegetables, or even just add it to a salad. Or yeah, it's really tasty. Hope you enjoyed the video, and here is the ranch. Looks good. Looks real good.